Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to automatically create PDF form with PDF.co and store in Airtable using Zapier. We provide a link of the full tutorial in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more information. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. Next, let's proceed to the action step and select the PDF.co app. Then choose the HTML to PDF converter to convert HTML code to PDF format. Let's connect your PDF.co account to Zapier by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. First, let's input the HTML code in the input HTML or URL to convert. We will use this code to create an HTML form and convert it into PDF format. Then enter the name of your generated PDF file. After setting up the configuration, let's test the action to send a request to PDF.co and convert HTML code to PDF format. PDF.co successfully processed our request and returned a temporary URL of the generated PDF form. To view the output, copy the URL and paste it into your browser. Since we've done creating a PDF form, we will now save it to Airtable. And select the Create Record option to create a new record in the Airtable table. Let's set up the Airtable configuration. First, choose the base that you want to work with. Next, select the table where you want to add the record. Finally, fill out the fields in the table with the corresponding data from PDF.co. These fields should have already been created in your Airtable table. Now let's send the created record to Airtable to save the generated PDF form. Airtable successfully process our request and save the generated PDF form to the Airtable table. You may now check your Airtable base to make sure that the generated PDF form was saved to the Airtable table. Here's the generated PDF form that we successfully saved to the Airtable table. Discover an extensive selection of tutorials available on our PDF.co website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.